Let's take a look at one of the most exciting features in OpenBOM, and that is real-time collaboration. You and your colleagues can work on a BOM or part catalog together. Let's start with our bill of material for our skateboard. I'm going to invite my colleague Steve to join me in this as we kind of prepare to finish it up for release. I'm going to invite Steve over on another screen. Steve will receive an email inviting him to join, and when he clicks on that, you can see that he's added to our session. Now, Steve has the ability to move around, and make changes. He can change costs if we if we need to. You can also contribute. Over here, we can kind of see what Steve is doing. He's going to add the grip tape that this is missing. Get down here and find, there we go. It looks like we're going to need about 2.5 feet of that. So there we can see the edits that he's been doing over here. I could add maybe the cost for that. I could also, on my side, be again adding some of my own things. Maybe we've got some documentation that that we want to add, and some assembly instructions. So we're going to add one of those. So this is a very powerful feature of working on bills of materials and part catalogs in a collaborative way with your colleagues or suppliers. Give it a try.